Hey, this is Rob, founder of Koyfin. We introduced a new feature called Watchlist News, which lets you track the news, filings, and transcripts of all the stocks in your watchlist. Let me show you how it works. To access the news feature, go to your watchlists, and now on the top right, you have a button called Watchlist News. What this does is for all the stocks in your watch list, so here for all my SaaS stocks that I have, it'll show you the news feed for all those securities. The real power of this feature is where you can customize what shows up in your watchlist feed. So for example, when I click settings, I can choose whether to turn on or off transcripts, filings, and news. So if I just wanted to see the transcripts for this watch list, I would turn off the other things and I would see the transcripts here that came in over the past 2 weeks for my watch list. If I turn on the other items like news, I can go to the settings bar and now I have a lot more functionality and a lot more detail to customize this news feed on. So for example, for MTN News, which is our news source where we license a big portion of our news, you can now go and turn off certain events. So let's say that if I just have my news feed here, let's say I didn't want to see any of the items that are associated with analyst upgrades or downgrades because I find that to be too noisy. What I would do is I would go under settings, under my news settings, under MTN News. I would go under market events, and here I could toggle on and off the analyst changes, the upgrades or downgrades. You can also toggle on and off other things, other topic codes, such as credit ratings or sector summaries or market summaries. The other thing that you can toggle here is under the filings. There's different filing formats and different filing types that you can toggle on and off. So for example, if I just wanted to see financials and nothing else, I would turn these other off and just see the financials or whatever items that I wanted. You could see the watch list news for different watch lists. So for example, if I move over to my semiconductor stocks, I could then click this news button and see the news, watch list, and transcripts only for my semiconductor stocks. I hope that's helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions by emailing us help@koyfin.com. Thank you.